Now, let's try to understand another example of Apple Incorporation and how they will recognize the revenue under ASC 606. So basically, Apple, let's suppose, sells iPhone bundle, and that includes three things. One is iPhone device, the phone itself. Along with that, they provide 1 year of Apple Care warranty and technical support along with that. And also they provide certain bundle services of Apple like free iCloud storage for 3 months. Now, if the total contract is they are charging is for $1200, the problem statement is like, firstly, do the Apple company and their customer have a contract? Definitely, whenever a customer is purchasing any Apple phone, they are having a contract between them, because that is by accepting terms and condition and other things, the contract is being accepted. The next thing is like, what things or what performance obligations will Apple be doing? Now within that, Apple company will simply say that, okay, I have three different performance obligation. One is I will be delivering the hardware or iPhone. Second, I will be giving the Apple Care services for 12 months. And third is Apple company will be giving iCloud storage for 3 months. So these three things will be done by Apple company. Now, these all benefits can be given by Apple company on its own. So basically we can say that they can be sold separately. And if that can be done, we need to say that the transaction price of $1200 which Apple is charging, we need to allocate the transaction price and say that, okay, that is being charged for three different things. $1000 is being charged for iPhone, $180 is charged for Apple Care for 12 months, because Apple Care has been provided to you for 12 months. And finally, the storage is $20, but that is provided to you for 3 months. So the allocation of price will be like this in different categories. Now what you will say, how Apple company will recognize its revenue? So basically they will say that for iPhone they have immediately transferred the phone, so $1000 will be immediately recognized in their books of accounts, because the customer has taken the delivery and the control has been transferred to them. But for the Apple Care is provided for $180, but for 12 months. So what Apple company will do? The Apple company will split this $180 into 12 months, and every month they will be recognizing $180 divided by 12 months, whatever number will come, they will be recognizing every month. Now for iCloud storage, they are saying that Apple is charging $20, and overall these are for 3 months. So this $20 will also be recognized over the period of 3 months. So effectively making it $6.66 per month. So they will be recognizing revenue of $6.66 per month. So these kind of situation or problem statement may arise in real world, and based upon that the companies needs to determine how they needs to recognize the revenue over the period of time, or immediately, or some other methods as the case may be.